Join me as I take on the challenge of making $1,000 a day on YouTube by 2025. Can I crack the code and turn my channel into a money-making machine? Did you know that some creators are making over $1,000 a day on YouTube? What if I told you that you could do the same in 2025? In this video, we're going to explore the potential to earn $1,000 a day on YouTube by 2025, examining the strategies and trends that can make it possible. Many aspiring YouTubers struggle to monetize their channels effectively, facing challenges like competition and changing algorithms. The reality is that the YouTube landscape is constantly shifting, and it's easy to get left behind. With millions of hours of content uploaded every day, it's no wonder many creators feel like they're fighting an uphill battle. But despite the obstacles, there are still opportunities to be found. The key is to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to the changing tides of the YouTube algorithm. Many creators make the mistake of focusing solely on their view count, thinking that's the key to success. But the truth is, views are just one piece of the puzzle. Engagement is what really matters. Likes, comments, shares, and watches that lead to meaningful connections with your audience. Without that, you're just throwing content into the void, hoping someone will stick around. Another major hurdle is the monetization trap. You've probably heard the phrase you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to monetize your channel. But the reality is, even with those numbers, you're not guaranteed success. The ads program is just one revenue stream among many, and it's not always the most lucrative. So, what's the solution? It starts with a deep understanding of your target audience and the niche you're operating in. When you know exactly who you're creating for, you can tailor your content to meet their needs, building a loyal following that will support you every step of the way. We'll discuss the importance of niche selection, content quality, audience engagement, and the various revenue streams available, such as ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. These are the building blocks of a successful YouTube channel, and when combined, they can lead to some serious income. Niche selection is crucial because it allows you to stand out in a crowded market and attract a dedicated audience. Content quality is self-explanatory. If your videos are boring, uninformative, or low quality, viewers will ditch you fast. Audience engagement is where the magic happens. When you can spark a conversation, create a community, and encourage user-generated content, you'll start to see the needle move. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to share your videos, subscribe, and ultimately support you financially. Revenue streams are where things get really interesting. While ads are a classic choice, they're not the only option. Sponsorships, merchandise, affiliate marketing. These are all viable ways to turn your YouTube channel into a cash cow. The key is to diversify and experiment, finding what works best for you and your audience. The key insight here is understanding the evolving landscape of YouTube and how adapting to trends and audience preferences can significantly increase your earning potential. The platform is constantly shifting, and what worked last year won't work this year. Creators who stay ahead of the curve, embracing new formats, features, and strategies, are the ones who thrive. It's all about staying agile, experimenting with new content types, and being willing to pivot when something isn't working. You need to be willing to try new things, to take risks, and to push the boundaries of what's possible on the platform. The other crucial element is understanding your audience's needs and preferences. What are they looking for in a creator? What kind of content do they engage with? When you can tap into these insights, you'll start to see real growth. Don't be afraid to evolve, to change, and to adapt. The YouTube algorithm rewards creators who are willing to push the envelope and try new things. It's a delicate balance between staying true to your brand and being open to innovation. To wrap up, remember that while making $1,000 a day on YouTube in 2025 is ambitious, with the right strategies and persistence, it's an achievable goal. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips on growing your YouTube channel and share your thoughts in the comments below.